everyone, today we're gonna do KFC chicken. Okay, we're gonna use this chicken leg and chicken breast. Very tender, see? Wow! And we have paprika, pork seasonings, black pepper, and salt. Okay, we're gonna put paprika. Ooh, wow. And pork seasonings, black pepper, salt. Okay, and mixing it. Yummy, but not the raw one like this. Need to fry it first. Okay, everything mixing now. Then I'm gonna ferment for 30 minutes. And I'm come back to fry the KFC chicken. Use the yay! 30 minutes already. Our chicken look very yummy. Wow. Okay, now I'm gonna mix the flour. Okay, let's put the crispy flour. All of this. Wow. Oh, so many. Okay, and all-purpose flour. Okay. Oh. Ooh, wow. So many. Okay, then I'm gonna put paprika. Then a little bit of salt. Pepper. Mix it. Ooh, mini powder. Very soft. Take easy. Like a sand. Soft sand. Okay, then I'm gonna share for this bowl half. And half. Ooh. Wow. See. dry flour. Wow! Oh! Mixing! Okay. Then I'm gonna put in this plate. Yes. And I'm gonna put the chicken leg. Chicken breast one, chicken leg one. Woo! Get in the red powder. Then I'm gonna put in the dry flour again. Okay, and mix it. Okay, then I'm gonna put in the plate. Okay, now I'm gonna fry the KFC chicken. Ooh, like this. Yeah, looks so yummy. And this one, need to be careful. It's gonna be going down. Okay, the last one. I made 3. Wow. Then make it near me, okay? Whoa, so fast. Now I need to wait for chicken 20 minutes because my chicken is very big piece. If your guys' chicken is small piece, you don't need to wait 20 minutes like me. You need to wait for 15 minutes. It's gonna be okay.
Okay.
Yes. You need to wait 20 minutes. Time to check the chicken, everyone. KFC chicken. I wanna upside down it. Almost done. Wow. Here. I wanna eat it now. Look very yummy. Yum yum yum. See? Wow. We need to wait another 5 minutes because it's almost done. No. Okay. I'm gonna put the chicken in here. Okay. Okay. Ooh, wow, look at this. I'm gonna try it. Ow, hot. Wow, very yummy. I like it. It's time for my dad come from work. He gonna come home now, and he gonna surprise with my dinner. Okay. Now we're gonna end the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell. Opposite the subscribe. Okay. Bye bye. See you next video.